from me. Yeah, so shout out to the FedEx guy to start because he was supposed to make it into this video.
No, you know what? Actually, I was just recording a video right now, so.
On the phone call, but then Kirk formatted the card from the original intro of this video. And Will can attest to it. I didn't make this up. And Will's doing work today. Wait a second. Did your desk get cleaned up a little bit? What's going on over here? Wow. You have Chewy Werther's original. You have a mini DVLA, a MacBook Pro inside of a 12 South dock. You have a Logitech top of the line performance. They changed it to master. It used to be performance. You even got the little heater for your digits. Holy moly. No one's living like you, Will. Nobody is living like you. One day the rest of us will live like Will. It's just, we gotta put it together. You gotta tidy up every so often, and it's very difficult to keep it going. Anyway, Jack, you brought Casper today. So it's a double dog dare ya type of day. What's cool here, Will? What's cool today? What are we gonna look at? Let's crack some boxes, why don't we? This thing was cool that you showed me yesterday. I didn't even notice it. I mean, it doesn't have the packaging, so I kind of just thought it was a nothing thing, but it's a new take on the fully wireless earbuds, and it's the slimmest version of it I've ever seen. Look at the lights going wild. The earbud itself is also kind of crazy slim. Yobi yo. Yo. Yobi bo. Yo Bebo. Or Yo Bibo? No, because it's a B. It's a yob. It starts with a yob. You want to give him a quick crack? Look at this. Smartdock, the world's first aluminum keyboard case with a MacBook-sized trackpad. Okay, I will say, based on my experience up until this point with trackpads or mice for iPad, it's not, that part of it, not so much fun. The limitation is actually not in the hardware because you need to turn on iPad functionality that's designed as a last resort in order to get a pointer on there. It's in the like assistive touch, and it's a whole nightmare for now. But it doesn't necessarily kill the product because you could still reach up and touch and tap your screen and then get the benefits of the extra peripherals and a tactile keyboard. Why don't we let's just really quickly, oh wow, they put our name on it. Look at that, Unbox Therapy right there. It's customized, Will. Micro SD, SD, 2 traditional USBs. Over on the other side, Type-C PD, HDMI port, and a USB Type-C. There's nothing in there, it's hollow. It kind of feels hollow. They add the Apple-specific keys along the top for multimedia, brightness, sound, and the keyboard's even backlit. So look at this, another tiny phone. Is this even tinier? They say it's the world's smallest 3G phone, probably because those other ones weren't 3G, I'm guessing. This is not tinier, is it, Will? Jack says it's exactly the same. This was Jack's exact feedback. It's the same. He went to full Eeyore mode, which he does from time to time. How did I lose this knife already? Oh, there it is. It's original Unbox Therapy unboxing knife. Of course, we have the new one now. This is the official Unbox Therapy knife, and it's like a little samurai sword. I think there's some left on Amazon, but it was like a limited production. It's a collab with Stat Gear. They've been making knives for a while, so it's not like a junk knife either. And it's a sharp blade, by the way. Be careful. Remember, I had the video with the magnets, the really powerful magnets from the levitating sneakers, and the magnet pulled the knife and it's a real samurai Wu-Tang moment. Ladies and gentlemen, Jack is about to pass the camera. Watch this. You won't even notice. Boom! Kirk is in the game. Oh, this is cool. Well, you won't care about this, but it is cool because I ordered it specifically. This is not Gold Bond medicated powder. It's a component for basically my favorite microphone mount. I don't know if people even notice this kind of stuff, but you see the microphone mount on the Lulator set that I use over there? It's smooth, it's low profile. I bought another one because I have another mic for another purpose. So I bought another one of those, and this is the clamp that goes on the table. Anyway, the company is OC White, and they are a bit expensive as far as microphone mounts are concerned, but nonetheless, I like them. So that's the stuff that came from B&H. What is this? Is this a Willy Do? It's a Willy Do. which is always the danger zone. Last winter season, you unboxed a pair of our Revolt heated gloves, and I thought you might be interested in our top selling product, heated insoles for the skiing and the snowboarding and the winter weather. I was skiing recently. Imagine you throw this in the ski boot, the heated insole, right? Or if you're into the pond hockey maybe as well. Okay, so the power switch is here and a micro USB to charge it from 8.5 to 11.5. Oh, I guess this is a 12. And fully charge the battery every 3 to 6 months. Oh, wow. Oh, you got it on the key fob and you hit the level. That turns on your insoles, man, when you're chilly.
You could start the car up and start the shoes up.
Cool cable that splits into two. So you only need one charger and one cable to charge both insoles. It's 2020, you gotta charge your shoes. Wait a sec. Oh?
Something?
Am I getting some heat right now? Yeah, we're gonna throw it in the boot. We're gonna throw it in the boot. We're gonna throw it in the boot. Yeah, it's got the light on. Oh no, okay. Yes, we're heating. We are heating. Ooh, that's super close. That's a tough job.
These are industrial scissors though.
Quick update, it raises you up. You probably should take out your pre-existing insole because you're elevated now.
Warm?
It's warming. It's warming now. There's weight, it adds weight for sure. But from a comfort perspective, not impacting it all that much. And the warmth is kicking in now. As of right now, it's not steaming. And I will say, when I went skiing, I thought I had a cool trick because what I did is I took the glove warmer and I just dipped that in a ski boot. And I looked around, I said, huh? I said, huh? And then everybody else at the ski place was like, what? They were like, shut up. Maybe it is more of a boot thing, a hiking or a boot thing. Who's the hiker? Will, you're a hiker. You're hiking around, are you not? It's great. I'm feeling heat now. It's good. I'm into it. It's great. Just knowing me, I would have a tough time recharging. I got real serious issues with the recharging of the gadgets. We've covered it extensively. So that would be my issue. Oh, we didn't even follow up with Will yet. Will's been wearing the slim phones.
It works. It's only for one though, but that's how it looks.
What do you mean it's only for one?
It only works for one right now. It's a
Will, you can't crush a company's dreams like that. They sent you that and then you say only one earbud's working. I know, but someone's stressing at the office right now. They say, that's Unbox therapy, man, that's Willie do. These are actually getting warm. Down low, I'm cooking. Even though it's just a sneaker, it is cooking right now. So Will says it's not perfect right now, but the package itself deserves some attention. This one is about thinness, see, because even AirPods creates a bulge, and you might not want that. Anyway, Yo Bebo, it's the future, you just don't know it yet.